guys, this is styrofoam. Today I want to talk about my trophy. In this house, I am the kid that that have fewest trophy. I only have 2. My brother have 3, and my sister have 6. I only have 2. This is only both my trophy. This is both my trophy. This is both. This is I get because I won a drawing competition. I get the first place. But I'm not arrogant. I'm real. I get first place, but I'm not proud because because my picture are not good enough. I can draw but I don't know why I get first place. Because there are only few people in the competition, and I'm the best because others are worse than me. And this is my second trophy. I get it because I get the first rank in my school. I'm not arrogant, right? Because I'm only homeschooling since I grade 6, and this is my trophy because I get first rank because there are only 8 people in the school. But I'm not still enough with because I only have 2 trophy. Now I want to have my second now. I want to have my other trophy. Now I want to make my own trophy so I can compare others. Okay?
Like notorious, victory for all of us. Revolutionary rap, that's why we glorious. That's why they calling us E.A.R. We got the fire and the passion and we standing tall. Like the towers in our cities, you can see us from the far. Shining bright like the lights, you can be that star. I can be that far, like 30 seconds to Mars.
They call me the ambassador. Duta revolusi Nusantara tercipta peta baru dunia. Past to the present, we fight to suck advantage. Not the I am, but the we are in legend. Lihatlah aku, caraku, gayaku, gerak geriku. Tirulah aku, takkanku beritahu lahkan sebelahmu. Merdeka areti Melayu kalau kau tak tahu. Feel good. Jauhku menuju jauh semakin jauh. Kanan kiriku tiada di depanku. Lajuku laju dan tujuku tuju. Tuju garisku tak tentang putihlah jajaku. When we come through, you know we dangerous. Para Mahaya, essential, we the revolution. Let's come together now.
Look up in the sky now, 10 stories high now. We type of walking dangerous. Here's what, hey, okay, I know they aims us. Gas they claim to us, is lame to us. With this rap is what my fame to us. You got that right, E.A.R. I trust it. We won't huff and puff and blow the house down. This is rap rock sound, and we won't back down. And we can't stop now, cause Southeast Ace is on the back now. And you can check the background, it's official stats now.
อันตรายวิญญาณวิตารสตานคาถาเทวดาวาจาอัคราจะสวรรค์ศิลปะนันนาจิตมันลอยมันเลื่อนจะลุกมันเลื่อนจะหยุดมันไม่มีลุกมันไม่มีหยุดพวกมึงจะเล่นมันเป็นชุดจะจุดระเบิดพวกมึงเคย Jauhku menuju jauh semakin
Finally, I have 3 trophy. This is all my trophy. This is okay. This is my 3rd trophy. So I have 3 trophy now. Okay, guys, do you want to make my trophy? Just make it. I think just make best than me. I think this is not best enough because it's still I'm not paying correct. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe because it's free.